If you're interested in property management software tutorials, real estate technology, and just started using Entrata and feel overwhelmed by all the menus and features, don't worry, you are in the right place because in today's video, we will walk you through the basics of Entrata property management software. Even if you are a complete beginner, and we will show you how to know the platform with confidence. Let's begin. Entrata is a cloud-based property management software designed for apartment communities, multifamily housing, student housing, military housing, and other real estate businesses. It brings together leasing, accounting, resident services, maintenance, marketing, and reporting into one platform, helping property managers streamline their daily operations. One of the first things you will notice when you visit the official website of Entrata, which is www.entrata.com, is that unlike many SaaS platforms, Entrata doesn't display any public pricing plans, and you won't find a create free account or start a free trial. Instead, the website encourages visitors to take one of two actions. Number one is going to be watching a demo if you want to see how the platform works before speaking with their sales team. And then the sign in button. If you are already an existing customer, you can sign in here. You have two options from this page. If you are a property manager, you'll sign in using your property management credentials by selecting the property management login options. But if you are a resident, you'll use the resident login link, which will take you to the resident portal where you can access your account and manage your resident services. You will notice that if you don't have a resident portal, you have the option to sign up. If you do, what will happen is you need to select one property from this option. You need to search the property here. For example, let's say one or a make sure your property is available. But if you don't have any property and you still wanted to know more about the Entrata software management app, don't worry because what we can do is go back to the main homepage. And let's start with the Entrata ontology. This is a layered architecture for the enterprise AI and operations platform, similar to the Entrata's vision for property management software enhanced with AI. So each layer is built on the one below it. Okay, so let's begin with the first one, which is going to be the infrastructure. This is the technology that everything else runs on. So it includes the cloud servers, databases, networking, security, APIs, and computing power. So think of it as the building's foundation and utilities, electricity, plumbing, and internet. So for example, you have or working with Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, or AWS, Google Cloud, because without the infrastructure, nothing else can operate. And then after that is going to be the unified data layer. This gathers all the company data into one trusted source instead of information being scattered across leasing, accounting, maintenance, CRM, marketing, and resident portals. Everything is connected into one system. So this ensures one version of the truth, real-time updates, and consistent data with easy reporting. So for example, a resident information, lease agreements, payments, and maintenance requests go here. So think of it as one giant organized filing cabinet instead of dozens of disconnected folders. And then you have the ontology layer that gives meaning to the data. The system understands relationships between different business objects. For example, it knows the resident, the rent, or the unit belongs to a specific property or a property managed by a property manager or the property owned by an owner. Instead of just storing data, it understands what a resident is, what a lease is, how maintenance requests relate to units. So think of it as the ontology, which is going to be the structured model of how business concepts relate to one another. Okay? And then you have the operational layer. This is where everybody works, business happens. For example, you have leasing, or rent collection, accounting, and resident communications, vendor management, and reporting. So these are the actual applications employees use. For Entrata, this includes features such as resident portal, maintenance management, and a lot more. And then you have the agentic layer. This is where AI agents begin helping humans. Unlike some chatbots, AI agents can make decisions, complete tasks, coordinate with multiple systems, and work toward goals. For example, the Entrata ontology can automatically answer resident questions or schedule any maintenance or review lease documents. You can also send reminders and create reports. Instead of waiting for instructions every step, the AI understands objectives. All right. And then finally, you have the autonomous workflows. This is going to be the highest level. The entire business process runs automatically with minimal human involvement. Instead of AI helping with individual tasks, it helps manage complete workforce from start to finish. All right? So everything happens automatically unless an exception occurs. So I think of it as the automated operations manager. Having said all of that, another feature that I really like here in Entrata is the ask and the act. Basically, the ask is the AI-powered assistant allowing property managers to ask questions in natural language and receive trusted answers based on the company's policy. For example, you have the what's my occupancy, any urgent maintenance, and all of these questions. Okay, so it demonstrates how users can quickly access real-time property insights without manually searching through reports, which is really a powerful tool saving you time and effort. Next is going to be the act feature. Rather than simplifying providing information, Entrata's AI can also take action by intelligently managing workflows across learning, maintenance, and renewals. The interface displays a maintenance example where an HVAC anomaly and leak have been detected. And what happens is that the system automatically updates the maintenance workflow, notifying users that a technician is already en route with an estimated arrival of 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. And then finally, we are at the RXP products page inside Entrata. So think of this as a hub that showcases all of the resident experience tools within the platform. You will find services like the resident portal, where residents can pay rent, request maintenance, and communicate with the property team. And then you have the homebody focusing on creating a better resident experience, while the rewards program helps keeps resident engaged through incentives. And then there are practical services like the utility setup here in the left side part of the Entrata RXP services, like the deposit alternative, rent reporting to help residents build credit, and then you also have the ELI residents, which is an additional resident services for the Entrata program. Everything is integrated into Entrata, making it easier for the residents or property managers more conveniently experience the platform. All right? And remember, if you wanted to know more about Entrata in general, you can always go to the resources. You have the guides, webinars, courses, reports, customer stories, resident experience, and a lot more to get to know more of the platform and insights. With that being said, and that wraps up our beginner's overview of Entrata property management software. While we weren't able to explore the actual Entrata dashboard firsthand because the platform doesn't offer a free account, public demo, or trial for independent testing, we were still able to thoroughly review the official website and learn about its core features, solutions, and intended use cases. And based on what we found, Entrata appears to be a comprehensive property management platform designed for apartment communities, student housing, affordable housing, military housing, and a lot more. And with that being said, if you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions, because we'd love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.